This video is sponsored by Squarespace. There are over 100 species of Dracaena plant, and one of them is this plant which we refer to as Song of India. Song of India is an easy to grow plant, as I said. It is very forgiving in nature as well. As a rule of thumb, if you are comfortable in your room, your Song of India will also feel comfortable. And when I say you are comfortable, it means the sunlight availability should be about 2 to 3 hours at least. And if it is bright indirect sunlight, it's really well. Temperature and humidity are also important for this plant. I would say the average temperature it enjoys is between 20 to 35 degrees. But even if the temperature fluctuates by a couple of degrees, it is still ideal for this plant. Remember, it's called Song of India. It does very well mostly in our country. Now, when we talk about soil and fertilizer, you can prepare indoor plant potting mix for this plant. You would see there are white things. I just pushed this out a little bit. And this white thing is perlite that I really prefer to add for good drainage in these plants. The only thing that these house plants require is good soil, honestly, apart from the sunlight, and they will be perfectly fine. So I will put a link to that video where I talked about how to prepare the perfect soil for these house plants. As for fertilizer, which is important for these plants, because remember, when they're growing in pot, it will come out, the nutrition will come out, it will get washed away with water. So I add a fertilizer once in 2 months or so. As for watering, this plant is also very prone to root rot. So be very careful with overwatering. If the soil is slightly on the drier side, it's still okay. But if it's on the moist side, it is not okay. Also watch out for fluoride. I noticed especially in some municipalities in North India, there is a lot of fluoride in water. And that's why people actually use AquaGuard. I do not recommend caring for your plants too much, and AquaGuard water is just like too much caring. But if you have invested in that plant, then dealing with the hard water is also important.
Here's a quick update on Song of India. This is a close-up of the Song of India, and this is post 3 months from the last video. The difference is that you would see there are these light green leaves. This is new growth that has just sprouted out because of monsoon. So the heavy rains actually help for the plant to grow well.
You can make more babies out of the plant by separating the plant from the stem. So if there is, for example, this plant, there are 2 stems coming out, keep some roots on both the stems and separate them out. As for the problems, I have seen the major problem that comes in this plant is because of low light condition. People like to place this plant indoors, and as a result of it, the sunlight or the light is not good enough. So the light has to be good. And second thing, cold winds. Winters is not something that this plant really enjoys, so avoid keeping it in a space that is too cold, especially in the winters in your house. Lastly, if you're seeing that there is too much browning or yellowing on the plant, most likely, always, my guess is there's something wrong with the watering. Mostly it could be underwatering, but if the leaves are soggy, there could be overwatering as well. So fix the watering problem by eliminating them one by one. Lastly, I think it is a great aesthetic plant. Very few times it gets attacked by insects. So having neem oil spray handy really helps. Rest, I think if you're a beginner, go with this plant, you'll be really happy. And in your process, if you even happen to kill a plant or two, it's okay. Nobody is born with a green thumb. It takes time to develop an intuition for your plants. And I'm sure your second or third Song of India will be really happy and healthy. Do remember to check out our similar videos in gardening series. We have tried and covered an extensive range of plants. In each video, we talk about one plant, or we talk about specific things related to plant. For example, how to prepare soil, how to add fertilizer, how to use seaweed solution. So do remember to check out those videos. Now I want to introduce you to Squarespace. It is a wonderful platform to start your own website. It allows you to connect with your audience or your followers very easily. In fact, you can also generate revenue through gated members only content. Squarespace helps you to create a community on your website because people can like, comment and even reply. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to publish, go to squarespace.com/gardenup to avail 10% off
your first purchase of domain or website.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Take care.